What's up, everybody? Look what I got. I got an M2 chase box. So let's open it up and see what we have. So let's see what else we got. This one. And look what we have here. Look what I just found. M2 Chase. This one's sweet. This is actually finding my first M2 Chase, actually, right here. So definitely going to be picking this up right here. So let's see what else they got. Last but not least, this one right here. So yeah, so this is what I found. So if you guys like my videos, please like, comment, and subscribe.